This is Eric back with Auto Replay Man, and I'm doing a short video on the dividend reinvestment that we're actually getting paid every month. You know, this would be the second month, and I actually got two stocks: Realty Income, stock ticker O, and the Stag, that stock ticker STAG. And I'm gonna show you those two here in this video, exactly how much we made on the second month. Okay. All right, so right here with the Realty Income coming July 15th. Since we own, well, I have to look up, we own about 30 shares right now and a little bit over. And we're actually up to $7.58 that we're going to get paid to buy more of this stock come July 15th. We're going to get paid for that. And then on the Stag, the STAG right here, we own about 4 shares of that, and that one's going to have about 46 cents. It's hard to do it with the grill, but that's going to buy more of this stock in a sense, you know. So I have to look up what the other dividend stocks that we have, and I have to find out what the basically there's a ex-dividend date where you have to own the stock before they cut off date, basically, in a sense. All right, so here's Realty Income's website, and this shows you some of the stores that they actually own property with, and you can see they own the property for like Dollar General stores, Walgreens, Ulta Beauty, different stores, you know what I mean, Walmarts. So, you know, these businesses are not going out of business anytime soon. So here's Coca-Cola, you know, 7-Elevens, you know what I mean, Home Depots. These are the landlords basically for Sam's Club and stuff like that. And Taco Bells and all that stuff, places that we go to all the time. So based on the actual dividend amount, which is 23 cents. No, June 15th when they actually declared the dividend amount, because back in just, you know, let's go back to September 17th, the dividend value was only 23.4 cents. So it's actually going up and up and up more and more. If you go back to 2016, it was only 19 cents. So they increased it with inflation, which is good. So it'll keep up with what everything's going on. The ex-dividend date is basically the end of the month. Okay, so it's June 30th of 2021. We had to own shares in it to actually get paid a dividend. And then the record date, let me look up real quick. A website called dividend.com, and it kind of explains all this stuff. You know, because, I mean, I'm kind of new to this anyway. But the record date means shareholders who properly registered their ownership on before the record date will receive the dividend. Shareholders who are not registered on this date will not receive a dividend. Okay, so basically if you own it still on that date, that's who will get the dividend. So you have to own it before, and you have to own it after this date. So you can't just buy and sell it, you know, real quick. And then you get paid the 15th. So, you know, you have to own it before the end of the month, and you have to own it after the first of the month to get paid. And then you get paid halfway through the month, basically. So that's pretty cool, you know. So that's how that kind of works. So thanks everybody for watching that short video on the dividend reinvestment of where we're at with our stock portfolio. This is the next day, man. Some part of my video was not here and the audio was not very clear, and I was ready to go to bed anyway. So just to let you know, the next video is coming out. I'm actually talking about going to zero. I've been listening to Grant Cardone. He said, take your money, just like what I did, put it in towards something that's going to make money, like that's going to cash flow. So now we have an asset that will cash flow $8 a month, right? It may be doing $10, $15 or whatever with all the new shares. But so what I'm doing is I'm gonna let that sit and then basically go to zero. So now I'm at zero, basically almost. So now I've been forced to come up with some creative ways to actually make some money. So I'm actually looking at selling this 2004 SLK Mercedes-Benz. So the next video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to actually show that, sell that. And appreciate y'all. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.